Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. On the GALA chart, we are dealing with this ABC structure here, and this is unchanged, okay? So a few days ago, obviously this week, we had a small sell-off across the crypto sector. Certainly way smaller than the increases that happened in the recent months or weeks, yeah? But obviously it's the first noteworthy pullback now, finally on the GALA chart. I think a lot of people waited for some kind of a deeper pullback. I already wanted to see a bit of a deeper pullback before that breakout that we had here early in December, and we had a support area on the chart, but it did take the direct route, but couldn't really sustain above that level. Okay, so okay, we get that pullback a little later, and that, as I mentioned in the last video, clarifies the chart a little bit. I still haven't got a very good view of the microstructure here, but I consider this A wave as a three-wave move. I count it as a three-wave move, so basically that we had here an initial A wave, a B wave, and a C wave, but I take that off, it doesn't matter. But it looks to me like it's not a five-wave move. Yeah, it's not a five-wave move. You could consider that maybe the A is here, and then we have a five-wave move, but then that move up looks like a three-wave structure, so again, is rather a high B wave. So there are different ways, how you can see this. That in the end doesn't matter so much. What really matters is, does the price react now to our support levels, okay? And to be honest, I need to move them a little lower, yeah, because I obviously measure from the top of the A wave. So the support region is between 1.55 cents and 2.36 cents. And we have in between support at 2.09 and 1.85 cents. These are all support levels where we can watch for reaction. As you can see, the price already reacted to the support zone, to the 38.2 retracement level. At the moment, I have no evidence that a low is already in, but yeah, I mean, it could be nearly done. It could be nearly done. So essentially, we have to give it space in the entire support zone. What the support zone allows us to understand is when this chart flips bearish. Already at the moment, it's not clearly bullish because we're dealing with, looking at the bigger picture, just a corrective rally. 5 waves down from the 2021 highs and a 3-wave structure to the upside. Okay, so there are different ways how this could be structured. A, B, C. The wave 2 could be here. Yeah. Or we get another, or this is just a larger A wave, then another B and another C. We have to see how this develops and also what the market context is. At the moment, I'm forcing on this chart a more substantial rally, but only because it's a bullish market. Now, once we can see that this bullish market is over, it might indicate the top of the wave 2, which could result in new lows for GALA. We'll see. It's too early to say that. It's too early. We haven't even reached resistance. Could something more bullish play out? Of course, but it would need to prove it. I mean, you see it. The chart produced a crystal clear 5-wave move to the downside in the bear market. We haven't really seen a significant rally yet, and we're only approaching resistance, but it's currently a pullback, and let's see if support holds. If support holds, then I'm still watching for the price to give us a rally towards the 6 cent region next. Yeah, that will depend a little bit on where this circle wave B will find a low, and then the C wave higher could send the price into the region around 6 cents. So again, that is the first main Fibonacci retracement level. Looking at the larger cycle, what we can also do is we can take the length of the A wave, measure that, go to the low of the B wave, and it also takes us to roughly 6 cents, a little higher than that, the 100% extension level. It's a key target for wave C. But again, if the B wave goes a little lower, I would have to adjust it. So I cannot lock it at this stage. Take it as a moving target. So yeah, and bear in mind that on the way up, obviously we have a few resistances. Now I will take that trend line out because that broke, not respected by the price anymore. But the next resistance is obviously up here, that previous high at 3.6 cents. That needs to be broken. And then we have some substantial resistance probably around the 5 cent region structurally, not really from an Elliott wave point of view, but structurally, and it's important to be aware of that. Yeah, that's my update about GALA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button. leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.